Hi, this has been a really fantastic congress and thank you very much for your kind and generous hospitality. Bye bye.
Een erg interessant congres. Ik ontmoet vele vrienden die ik bij vorige gelegenheden al een keer ontmoet heb en ook een aantal nieuwe mensen en veel nieuwe ideeën die heel inspirerend werken. En het is erg druk op een positieve manier. Het had voor mij eigenlijk een dag korter kunnen zijn, want het is op deze manier wel erg vermoeiend.
Ja, hallo, het congres is super georganiseerd. Super. Ik weet niet wie er gedaan heeft, maar super. Nogmaals, super. Tot ziens.
Hello, I've been here in Leeuwarden since the start of the Congress. It's been very efficiently organised, been some very interesting papers. Also the weather has been good, which is very impressive and something we would not be able to organise in Ireland. I have not managed to learn any Frisian. I have enjoyed the various social events as well, and in fact I can't actually think of anything. Just one very small point in that one of the lecture rooms, I think the screen was a bit low, but that's the only very minor. The screen was low and a little bit difficult to see from where I was sitting, but that's the only very minor problem I would have. Apart from that, it was very well organised, and thank you all.